Hello and welcome back to our channel. We're continuing the series NSAA Made Easy, this time with the next 6 questions of the 2019 NSAA Part 1. Let's get started. The ball for a garden game is a solid sphere of volume 192 centimeters cubed. For the children's version of the game, the radius of the ball is reduced by 25%. What is the volume of the children's ball? Well, we have 1 minus 25% equals 1 minus a quarter equals 3 quarters. 3 quarters cubed for volume is 27 over 64. 27 over 64 times 192 is 3 times 27, which equals 81. Now let's move on to question 8. Find the area of the triangle below. From Pythagoras' theorem, we have x plus 4 all squared plus 2x plus 2 all squared equals 3x all squared. This expands to x squared plus 8x plus 16 plus 4x squared plus 8x plus 4 equals 9x squared. The left-hand side simplifies to 5x squared plus 16x plus 20. If we take away the left-hand side, we get 4x squared minus 16x minus 20 equals 0. Divided by 4 gives x squared minus 4x minus 5 equals 0. Factorizing gives us x plus 1, x minus 5 equals 0, and therefore x equals negative 1 or 5. However, x cannot equal negative 1 because that would make 3x negative 3, and a distance cannot be negative, therefore x equals 5 only. X plus 4 therefore equals 9, and 2x plus 2 therefore equals 12. 9 times 12 over 2 equals 54, and that is the answer. Let's move on to question 9. 9 to the 2x minus 1 times 1 over 27 to the x equals 81 to the x. Find x. The first thing to do is to express everything in terms of 3. So 9 equals 3 squared, 27 equals 3 to the 3, and 81 equals 3 to the 4. Therefore, the expression can be turned into 3 to the 2x minus 1 times 3 to the negative 3x equals 3 to the 4x. Therefore, 3 to the 4x minus 2 minus 3x equals 3 to the 4x. Therefore, x minus 2 equals 4x, 3x equals negative 2, and x equals negative 2 over 3. Question 10. PR and QS are diagonals of rhombus PQRS. PR equals 3x plus 2 centimeters. QS equals 8 minus 2x centimeters. The area of PQRS is 11 centimeters squared. What is the difference in centimeters between the two possible lengths of PR? We'll start by saying that the area, 11 centimeters squared, is half the product of the diagonals. So 11 equals PR times QS over 2. QS over 2 equals 8 minus 2x all over 2, which is 4 minus x. Therefore, 3x plus 2 multiplied by 4 minus x equals 11. Therefore, 10x minus 3x squared plus 8 equals 11. 3x squared minus 10x plus 3 equals 0. 3x minus 1, x minus 3 equals 0, so x equals 3 and x equals 1/3. These give values for PR as 11 and 3. 11 minus 3 equals 8, and that is the answer. You are given the diagram shown below with side lengths as written. PRT is a straight line. Find QS. Now, the first thing is to find PR equals RT equals 5 by Pythagoras' theorem. Then we can construct height QX is perpendicular to PR. QX times 5 equals 3 times 4 because they're both twice the size of the triangle. Therefore, QX equals 5 over 12. PX is therefore equal to the square root of 3 squared minus 12 over 5 squared, which is the square root of 225 minus 144 over 25. This is the square root of 81 over 25, which is 9 over 5. We now have 10, which is the total length along the bottom, minus 9 over 5 times 2, which is the length at the sides, equals 32 over 5, or 6.4. And that's the answer. Let's move on to question 12. P plus Q plus R equals 375. P to Q is 5 to 7, and Q to R is 4 to 11. Find P plus R. The first thing to do is to write P to Q as 20 to 28, and Q to R as 28 to 77. We can now combine these and get P to Q to R equals 20 to 28 to 77. This can be rewritten as 60 to 84 to 231. You'll notice that 60, 84 and 231 total 375. Therefore, to get P plus R, we can have 60 plus 231 equals 291. And that's the answer. If you liked our video, please like and subscribe and join us next week for the next installment of NSAA Made Easy. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.